Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 24A and B from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. The question 24A says, in the given figure, triangle AHK is similar to the triangle ABC. If AK is 10 centimeter, BC is 3.5 centimeter, HK is 7 centimeter. Find the length of AC. Now, since these two triangles are similar, that is, triangle AHK is similar to triangle ABC, the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. Here, the side HK corresponds to BC and the side AK corresponds to AC. This implies that HK upon BC is equal to AK upon AC. HK is 7, BC is 3.5, AK is 10 and AC is what we have to figure out. So AC is equal to 3.5 times 10 upon 7, which is 35 by 7, that is 5 centimeter. The part B of the question says, in the given figure, XY is parallel to QR. PQ upon XQ is equal to 7 upon 3. PR is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Find the length of YR. PQ is this full length and XQ is this part and PR is the full length, which is 6.3 centimeter. By the question, XY is parallel to QR. So by BPT, we can say that PX upon XQ is equal to PY upon YR. Adding 1 on both the sides. Px upon xq plus 1 is equal to py upon yr plus 1. On getting the LCM, we get px plus xq upon xq is equal to py plus yr upon yr. Now on the left hand side numerator, px plus xq is the full length pq. On adding plus 1, we bring in that xq with px and this px plus xq turns as pq. We are trying to get the pq here because the question has given pq upon xq as 7 upon 3. So PQ upon XQ is equal to PY plus YR is the full length PR upon YR. PQ upon XQ is 7 upon 3 and PR is 6.3 centimeter upon YR. So YR is equal to 6.3 times 3 upon 7, which is 2.7. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.